Sustainability, I think it's often considered to be sort of a state that you get to, but I think it's a process. It's a process of trying to think about what you do in relation to the environment, in relation to other people, and to say, you know, is this going to have good outcomes in multiple areas?
I'll approach it from an agricultural standpoint, but as far as sustainability in agriculture, I mean, to me, being able to produce food and fiber in a long-term sustainable method, and that you're basically balancing production with inputs over time.
The biggest obstacle, of course, is the whole infrastructure, and I mean that not just in terms of gadgets and gizmos and whatever, but the ways we've set up our lives that are pretty wasteful.
You have to basically look beyond just today or next week or next month or the next year, and when you're dealing with making decisions on a daily basis, as far as investing resources, whether that's time or financial resources or technical resources, it becomes more difficult to not only address the current ones, the short term, but also look at the long term.
Some people you can get by just saying, oh, it's going to be more energy efficient, isn't that wonderful? And they'll say, oh yeah, we'll do that. Some people you can get by saying, well, you know, it's going to cost you less over the long term, and that's a sufficient motivation for some people, not for everybody. How about more comfort? You know, how about more better interactions with the people in your workplace or the people in your home? How about better health? How about, you know, there are a whole range of motivations, and very few of us do anything for just one motivation.
Creating an opportunity to show benefit and value to individuals of having a sustainable lifestyle or system is the key, and unless you can do that, it will be difficult to change the minds of the masses.
So people buy green products because they're cool, because they're green, because they have features that other features don't have. For example, the cars that give you instant feedback about how many miles per gallon you're getting right now, right? Mm-hmm. People love that, you know, and these little things sell products.
There has to be a balance, and if you have an imbalance that you're utilizing more resources than can be replaced or sustained, I think that's, you know, opens the question up as far as the long-term viability.
This is the whole thing with Malthus and neo-Malthusianism, right? You say, well, there've got to be limits to what the Earth can support, and then you have to say, well, yeah, that's got to be true because it's a limited place and stuff. But what those limits are, we don't know. Let's try not to find out.